Hello everybody, this is Bill Stevens with the Music Educator, and today we're going to start a process that's really vital for any kind of musician, any kind of music educator, lovers of music, just anybody that wants to be musically skilled to hear things in music. So we're going to start our very first ear training, and it's going to start very, very simple. I'm going to try to simplify it the best I can. So when you're listening to sounds, you can hear different pitches, different tones. And the more you listen to it, the more your ear recognizes this. There are a couple strategies that you can use to improve this skill, but a lot of times people have what's called relative pitch. They can tell if something's going up or if something's going down, but they may not exactly know how to deal with this. So the point of these ear training exercises is to help people from ground up improve this skill. Strategies for improved pitch recognition. Singing up and down the scale first. Like learning a language, learn to recognize the pitch. And finally, listen, assess, reflect, and repeat. Okay, so we're going to start our first oral training exercise, and we're going to keep it very simple. Very, very simple. We're going to use 3 different notes. And we're going to start either on C, and your objective is to hear whether it is the F or the G. Okay, so if I go from C, C, D, E, F, that's an interval of a perfect fourth. And I go one more note, we have a perfect fifth. Perfect fifth sounds like this. Perfect fourth sounds like this. Okay, so I'm going to have you listen. The screen is going to change, and I want you to decide if the second note you hear is F or G. C. Now listen to it very carefully. That's C. Now consider singing up the scale. What do you think it is? Do you think it's F or G? We could always sing up the scale. So if this is the pitch we're looking for, so if the pitch was, if you answered F, you're correct. Also, if we go down the scale, we have our initial C, we can also go down the scale C, B, A, G, F. Okay, so I'm only going to have you select either F or G. Here we go. Select the best note, F or G. So if this is C, what note is this? Listen to it again. C, F. Now first determine, did it go up or down? If you said down, that's correct. Okay, so that's the first step. Then, try to sing it down in context. So, C, B, A, G, F. If you answered F, you are correct. So, using your voice, learning what a scale sounds like when you go up is very beneficial when you're learning to listen to pitches. Okay, here are a couple of other examples. Let's see if you get them right. What did you choose? What did you choose? What did you choose? And bonus. What note did you choose? C, F, or G? And that's how you go about working on the very basics of pitch recognition. It takes a lot of listening, a lot of repetition and practice. And with that, you will get better. Just like my singing will eventually get better as well. So good luck to you. I hope you look forward to some of the next ones where we're just going to very progressively add on listening examples. And I hope your oral skills become amazing. Good luck, everybody. See you next time.